this resource right here is an ongoing updating kind of resource where there's going to be different digital tips and keyboard shortcuts as I kind of think of them or as people share them. So keep on sharing them so that they can be added to this slide deck. So the first thing that I wanted to just kind of talk about is the layout here. So what has been really helpful for my students is having a visual and knowing exactly where to click. So they know wherever there's red, that's where they need to click in their keyboard. This has helped really for younger students, but it can also be a resource for all students to know where to click, even teachers. Then over here is the exact what the students need to click. So Alt and then that bracket. You can see this one is for taking a screenshot. So students, if they need to take a screenshot, I might plop this into the direction slide. If I have them like, hey, put your screenshot here, I might put this in there, or I might download it as a PNG and add that to there. Another thing right here is this monitor button. This is where students can share their screen on the projector. So they can plug into the projector and then they're able to share exactly what they're doing, walk through their thinking so other students can see. This tip right here I like to use for spelling, teaching the students how to use that microphone. And then once they know how to use that microphone, they can ask their computer how to spell the word rather than the teacher. So that frees the teacher up to help and assist other ways. And then down here is a resource that I found in Canva. So if you click Canva, you can grab this template and it just has a bunch of them listed. And so you can just kind of see this resource as well. Make sure you check the speaker notes for additional links, video resources, and that kind of stuff. And if you already have a video resource created for this tip, please share it with me and I'll be more than happy to add it right into the slide deck.